How to convert from JPG to PDF. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to convert a JPG to PDF file without using any software. So let me show you what I mean. The image you see here is in JPG format, and now I'll show you how can you convert it without an installed software. So first of all, right click on the image and then select Open With and tap on Photos. You can now see the image is opened. Now click on the print icon over here. You can make any necessary changes here as needed, but the most important thing is to click up here where you see the printers. There are about various options, but what you have to do is tap on the Microsoft Print to PDF and then just click on Print. Then select a location to save the document and then give a name to this file. Now you can see here the PDF file. Now when I right click on it and choose the properties, you can see it's in the PDF format. Now let me just open to confirm it. Here you can see that it's in the PDF format. This is how you can convert from JPG to PDF. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.